In this class we will study about basics of NAND gate. Basically NAND gate is AND gate followed by NOT gate. AND gate followed by NOT gate. This is our AND gate. These are our two input A, B and followed by NOT gate. This is our y equal to A, B bar. This is our expression and diagram for NAND gate. Or you can also write down this NOT gate into, because with the help of this is NOT gate and this is OR gate. Our expression will be same, only A and B. Okay, so this circuit we can also draw like this: 0 0 A B OR and y equal to A B bar, and this circuit we call as bubbled gate or bubbled OR gate. Means bubbled OR gate is equivalent to NAND gate. Bubbled OR gate equal to NAND gate. So for the truth table we have two input A, B and our output equal to y. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. You all of know our expression equal to y equal to A B bar. Okay, then if we consider y dash equal to AB, then our output equal to, this is the AND gate output, then our output equal to 1 only when the both our input equal to 1, then our output will be 0 0 0. And this is our NAND expression. If we take at a complement, then our output will become 0 equal to 1, 0 equal to 1, 0 equal to 1, 1 equal to 0, we convert. So this is our truth table for NAND gate. Now we want to study more about this. For example, if we have a NAND gate like this, we have a output y. If we have a input A and we use this B, this is A input, this is B input, and we want to this B as a control input. Okay, so for control input, what we will do, for example, here you can see in truth table, if our B is 0, means if our control is 0, our output is 1. When our B is 0, our output is equal to 1. Means when our this one is equal to 0, then our output is equal to 1. It not depend on the input. And in any circuit, when our output is not depend on the input, then we call as a control input is called as a disable input. Means whenever this input got 0, it disable the input, it output is not depend on the input. From this we can conclude like that only. In the second scenario, when our in control is 1, when our control input is 1, in our truth table our output is exactly as inverse as our input. Means when our control input B equal to 1, here equal to input A, then our output equal to A bar. Means it is enable input. Okay, so these are the various interpretation about NOT gate, how we can control, how we can use this circuit using our control input. So this type of, when our control input is 0, this is the disable input. When our control input 1, this is the enable input. For only in AND case, like that you can find out in every other gate also. means for example, if we want to conclude AND gate and NAND gate, in both these gate, if our control input is 0 and control input is 1, when our control input is 0 means this is enable input, means our output will come according to our input only, and when our control input is 1 it is disable. It means our output is not depend on our input A, that's why we called as a disable input, and here we called as enable because our output is depend on our input A. And if you want to write down the switching circuit of this NAND gate, then the switching circuit of this NAND gate is like this only. Here these are the two switches, here it is ground, here we apply CC voltage, this is A switch, this is B switch. Okay, and if you want to in this slide we will represent this circuit using BJT, NAND gate using BJT, NAND gate using BJT, then our circuit will be like this. This is resistance, this is our BJT, this is our other BJT, this is our ground, these are our two input A and B, these are our two resistance, this is our supply voltage, and here is our output Y equal to AB bar. Okay, in this if you want to find out the characteristics of this, then Y equal to our output here 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. 0 means 0 voltage, 1 means 5 volt. For example, if we will give here 0, okay, then our, and if we will give 0 here, if we will give 0, that means this is off and this is off. In both case, if we will write down that Y and we will write down then here it is BJT T1 and it is T2, then T1 and T2. So in first case T1 is off and T2 is also off. If both are off, then the current is not flowing through this circuit like this only. Okay, it will break down here and here in both the switches. So these are behave like an open switches. So our output is same as our input VCC. So our output will be get 1, means here we will get 5 voltage. 5 voltage means logic 1. Okay, so our output will become 1. In second case, if our A is 0 and B is 1, in second case if our A is 0 and B is 1, if our A is 0, B is 1 means this circuit, this one is off and T2 is on. If this one is off, this one is on, means now the current is also not flowing from here to here because it break down here, because it behave like an open circuit, because this is an on circuit. If you study about the basics of BJT, then you know it is an behave like an open circuit. If it is an open circuit, then current is flow like only this, means our output will be as it is our input, so our output will be 1. Okay, this is our off and this is our on. If this is 0 0, then output is equal to 1. And for third case, if this input is 1, this is 1, this is 0, then means this T1 is on and T2 is off, then also current is not flowing through. In third case, if both are 1 means, if both are 1s means this is also on this is also on, means current will flow like this, it goes to the ground, and here it is ground, this ground is reflected here, then our output will become 0. So our output will become, if this is on and this is on, then our output will become 0. So this is the working of the NAND gate using the BJT circuit. Hope you got all of this. Okay, if you want to find out the if you want to find out the AND gate using NAND gate, then what will you do? We know this is our A, B, this is our voltage supply, resistance R. Okay, here it is Y equal to A B bar. If we give this input, okay, so this circuit is equal for AND gate, means here we studied in previous, in this is same as this one, and we added this one. So this circuit is equivalent to NOT gate, and this circuit is equal to NAND gate. Okay, so we know NAND gate is this, and we apply NOT gate, then it equal to it will become equal to AND gate. Now we will study about the different type, the property for that about the behavior of the NAND gate. First we will study about commutative property. We know A plus B bar equal to B plus A bar, means it follow the commutative property, and you can verify this property using the truth table. It will come same, and it's follow. Okay, this is your homework, you can do this. But we know if A, B, C, we have 3 variable, then can we write down this? Can we write down this? Is this expression is equal to this expression, or is this expression is equal to this expression? This is your homework, you have to find out that whether these are the true expression or not expression. If these are true expressions, mean it follow the associative property. If this expression is not true, then they are not following the associative property. And how you will find out that whether these are the right expression or wrong expression? Then you have to write down the truth table for A, B, C bar, and you have to write down the truth table for this one and for this one circuit also. And you have to, if both the output from this expression and output from this expression, if the expression will come same, then if the truth tables output will come same, then you can say that it's follow associative property, otherwise it is not. But I will tell you the answer, they are not following this associative property. When you will solve, you are not getting this. Because for example, if we have a 3 input variable A, B, C, then our output will be A, B, C, ABC bar. If our, and this expression will A, B, AND gate, and this C is our input. Here our output will be A, B, C and C bar. Then this equal to A plus B plus C. That means it not follow the not follow the associative property.